Hey, it's Gareth and Janet here, and we're on the Regal Princess. Of course, we're not on there anymore. We are in Road Town, Tortola, the island of Tortola, and it's one of the British Virgin Islands. So BVI, not USVI, like St. Thomas, St. Croix, St. John's, but the BVI, like Tortola, Virgin Gorda, and Joost van Dyke. We're just going to walk around town here today. I'm going to be clicking this on and off. GoPro, GoPro, GoPro. Over the course of the day. That's what you have to say when you see a GoPro. And so that was your first shopping opportunity there. And here's another, just each side of this street, leading right into town. Of course, there's a harbor on the other side of these buildings. And Village Key Marina is straight ahead. I don't know if they let cars drive, but it's blocked off over there. So I'm not sure they let cars drive on here or not. We started, well, you can see the ship there, right? Walk down through the shopping. This is people selling tours, like Mr. Max Bus Service. These guys right here selling tours. We're pushing on into the town. Now you can see there's shopping over there, so if we went around the bend, people have set up their little kiosks there to sell stuff. And that's scooter rentals, it says on the other side of this Finding Nemo bus. Whenever I see that, I wonder, are they paying royalties to Disney for that? It's like a cool breeze coming up now. Maybe it's just that I'm sweaty. Flowers. Stop and smell them. Ship is, well, if you could see through that building, it's through that building. It's about a half a mile, and this is the Crafts Alive Village. And it looks like some of the shops may not be open. Let's detour this way. Or maybe they're open on the other side, right? I left Janet here somewhere. She thought I might have got lost. So it looks like half of them are closed. We are the only ship in port today. You know, maybe they don't want to bother. I don't know. Here's the end of it. Here's the end of it. Your ice cold drink. Yeah, I'm doing 2 cameras at once. And we find ourselves at a parking lot and the ocean. Hey, and the Regal Princess. So we actually made it to Queen Elizabeth II Park, and this is it. We came in the gate right there. You see the ship off in the distance there. And they have the giant letters Tortola sign here with nobody around. Of course, there's nobody to take your picture unless you've got a tripod or something. I have 2. So, but anyway, there's Janet over there taking ship photos. Let's see. Tortola. By the way, Tortola means turtle dove, apparently. And that's where it got its name. Turtle dove. Tortola. thought it was a turtle. That's a turtle dove. Tortuga is a turtle, I guess, or tortoise. So there's Janet. I'll walk over here, see the ship, see in the water. The water's super clear, but there's a lot of stuff floating on the surface. Do you see that? So it doesn't look clear, but it actually is. Anyway, we're going to continue on this way. And there's a path going up through the middle and a bench, if you're interested in benches.
Bathrooms.
Looks like bathrooms. I don't guarantee they're unlocked. Nice viewpoint. Flowers. Bandstand. So, Queen Elizabeth II Park on Tortola. Yeah, I'm doing both at once. Sometimes you have to. These are coconut palms. Notice the coconuts. That's a lovely bunch of coconuts. Nowhere near right, but still lovely. I think we're approaching the end of the park. I see a fence and then a path going around the fence. See that? Oh, look at that iguana.
Nice.
You see the big iguana? I want an iguana. Cut him heading off at the pass. Oh. I didn't realize they had those here.
I just got its tail.
Oh, you were trying to take a video. You should have said wait.
Not a video, but a picture.
Ah, okay. So where there's one iguana, there's usually more. The iguana was right back there. And this trail has boards across it when you get out here. And it's a playground, but I guess they don't want you in the playground. Oh, it's a big playground. Please no animals. Huh. Maybe from the other side.